Hello my dear friends! In this tutorial I will share with you idea on how to simply make Santa's legs. For clarity I use a transparent balloon. I put two 5-inch red balloons inside a 12-inch balloon and inflate them with 3 pumps each. Then I put the 5-inch white balloon inside and inflate it with 4 pumps. I am inflating a red Madeline balloon, size 660, with 11 pumps. I inflate a white balloon for Madeline, size 260, and make 2 pinch twists of 1 finger each. I wrap this white balloon around leg 3 times. After each turn, I fix the balloon between the pinch twists. I inflate a red 5-inch balloon with 2 pumps and divide it in half. There should be 2 such elements. Now I twist them together and get a cluster of 4 bubbles. I tie Santa's legs together and fix them on the cluster. I tie Santa's legs together and fix them on the cluster. I inflate the red Madeleine balloon, size 660, almost completely. I tie both ends and put this balloon on the cluster. I inflate a Madeleine balloon, size 260, and make 2 pinch twists. I fix both ends of the white balloon and glue it with glued dots onto the red balloon. I glue the figure to the chimney using glue dots. Everything is ready. Try it. It's not difficult.